mining review as per request by one of my viewers. Can you guys earn from 1% daily to 2% to even 12% and 14% weekly with this passive income investment opportunity, or is it just another Ponzi scheme? That's what we're going to find out in just a moment. If this is your very first time to the channel, make sure you find the subscribe button. Also click on the bell notification icon. That way you won't miss out on any of this important information. On this channel, what I usually do as per request by my viewers is I review income opportunity systems, platforms, and even training products. If it's make money online that you're after, or steer yourself away from a potential scam, this information can serve you. Also, at any time throughout watching this video, if you're looking for a way to create either active or passive income online for yourself, you could just check out my #1 recommendation underneath this video, first link in the description box below. If you're looking for traffic, let's say you're promoting something, affiliate marketing related, or make money online, or even some kind of, crypto scheme that you're trying to get people in. Okay, I recommend you don't, stay away from scams, but if you're looking for a legitimate way to create a traffic portal, etc., with real traffic, buyer traffic, etc., to your links, second link underneath this video to get access. So here's the website here. Hamitage Mining Global. Okay. Prospecting tomorrow, a green legacy in the making. Discover the allure of sustainable legacy with Hamitage Mining Global. Our pledge to responsible mining crafts. Green tapestry weaving together the prosperity of communities and the holy smokes and the preservation of our planet for a tomorrow that gleams with promise. So very big wording is what I'm seeing here about the company. Mining Global, Hamitage Mining Global is an investment management firm developed under the control of experienced team of highly qualified financial experts. Okay. Now they do have a team of people. These are the board members. They have this person, Anton Jetty. I can't find any verifiable information on any of these people, but they're claiming that that's their CEO, Anton Jetty. No picture or anything. And then there's the rest of the crew here. I tried to figure this out on Google, and they're not showing me any information about this individual outside of Hamitage Mining. There's the only whereabouts or place that I'm finding this fellow is in their website. So I don't know if he actually exists or if it's a she. I'm thinking it's a he, or if it's just a fake made-up identity. So no verifiable information on any of these individuals, and especially on their CEO. Now let's go and look at domain registration, privately registered, December 15, 2023, set to expire in 2025. You think it's been around for 2 years, that it must be legit, but for some reason they're not getting much traffic into this thing. See, it says HamitageMining.com. It's saying like not enough traffic statistics to show any statistics on their website, being a big company that they are. Now they do have like a PDF. It looks like a white paper kind of thing. Founder and CEO Anton Jetty. It's just, we don't know who the heck this guy is. It's a big question mark. Don't know if it's a real person or a fake made up identity. 6 Ranelagh Road, Ealing, London. Let's go look up that address. So that's here, Hamitage Mining Global. So they figured out how to put their address on Google Maps. But let's go and see where their headquarters address leads to. Looks like a residential area. They're not telling you which unit they're in, but that's where Google's taken me, to this housing district here. Okay, that would be the headquarters, and it's a question mark. Which one of these housing units is their office in? Okay, I'm thinking it's probably not in any of these units at all. And I'll tell you why I say that in just a moment. What we want to find out about the company now is, what are they offering? They're offering passive returns And they're claiming that they create revenue through real estate management, cryptocurrency, investing in decentralized transactions, forex, bond market. Okay, but they're not showing any proof of any of this. To me, it's just a website. Looks like another high yield investment platform with pictures. We want to see, are they licensed in London, in the UK, with the Financial Conduct Authority? So we're looking for more links that say like licenses, investment affiliate, non-farm payroll. They don't seem to be including any registration certificate with the UK Financial Conduct Authority. That's a security regulator that would allow them to actually give you guys a return on your investment in the UK. If someone decides to invest in the US, then they would have to register with United States SEC. If they invest out of Canada, they'd have to register, or if anyone promotes this in Canada, they would have to register with the Canadian authorities. So far, these guys don't seem to be registered anywhere in the world. Okay. Now let's go back and see what they are offering. Pack 1, Pack 2, Pack 3, Premium. So Pack 1, $100 minimum investment to a maximum of $4,999. Promise of 1% daily. Compound interest nil. Okay. Pack number 2, $5,000 minimum to a maximum of just under $30,000. Promise of 2% daily. Compound interest 2.5% weekly. Pack number 3, $30,000 minimum to a maximum of $69,999. 12% weekly promised ROI. Compound interest 12.5% weekly. Then there's the premium plan, $70,000 minimum. 200,000. So what the heck is this? Wish they'd put some commas. So that's $2 million maximum. 14% weekly. Compound interest 14.5% weekly. Okay. They do have an affiliate program, but this is not really affiliate marketing because they have multi-levels here. This is more of a network marketing comp plan, paying to a depth of level 2. This one should be level 3, says level 4, then level 4 there. They need to fix that because I made some mistakes here. It's not a biggie. So a depth of 4 levels deep. Level 1, network marketers can earn 4%. Level 2, 5%. Level 3, 6%. And so on and so forth. Level 4, 6%. And a very large emphasis being placed on more recruitment. In order to partake with the network marketing comp plan to earn referral commissions, it looks like you can earn 4%, but a minimum of 1 active referred user required for this stage. So it looks like you have to recruit at least 1 person. Okay. Let's see what else I can find. The only revenue I could see going into this platform seems to be from network marketing recruitment. So nothing new under the sun. Another website. It's just a website. The person who asked me to check this out claims that their friend is making big money. And I told the person who asked me to do this review, like, get proof from your friend that they're actually making big money and for the long term. So this website's been around since December 15, 2023. So that's 24 and 8 months, a year and 8 months, a year and 9 months. So it hasn't been around for 2 years. So, but they don't have much traffic. That means it doesn't seem like there's a lot of people promoting this thing. And the only revenue I could see going into this platform seems to be from the network marketing comp plan that I showed you just a moment ago, right? If they're calling it affiliate marketing, but it's more of network marketing. The only revenue I can see going into this platform to create revenue to pay out the passive income investors is from people sponsoring and recruiting new investors to deposit their hard-earned money into the platform. So they're just recycling money, okay, to pay out older investors. But this one doesn't seem to be doing that great because they don't seem to have much traffic here. No results, but I'm sure they have some results, just not enough to trigger statistics. So I don't recommend this thing. To me, it looks like another Ponzi scheme. The only revenue that's being created is from network marketing recruitment. A lot of the people, which is kind of crazy, who are joining these things don't want to do like network marketing or affiliate marketing, but they're relying on systems that need like affiliate marketers to go and create revenue for them. But sadly to say, these things keep exit scamming, and the majority of investors usually end up losing way more than they ever gain. How do these things work? Well, FOMO, fear of missing out. A lot of people want to get in because they hear their friends are making lots of money. Their friends tell them, but mostly they don't show them any proof unless they recruit a whole bunch of people. But this doesn't seem to show much traffic going into the thing, or any traffic at all. Okay, so I don't recommend it. Too many red flags. First red flag, I'm going to say still we're dealing with anonymous people because no one on their board seems to be, people with a digital footprint that you could find on the internet. The second red flag is unsustainable returns, like 1%, 2%, up to 14% weekly and all that stuff, right? Looks good on paper, but it's unsustainable. That's why these platforms don't usually last long. This one's been maybe going under the radar for 2 years. The authorities haven't shut it down because there's probably hardly anyone investing into it. And in order for the passive income investors to earn consistently, you have to have enough consistent victims, meaning people to donate their money, right? So they can recycle some of that funds and give you guys some of your own money back, right? At the end of the day, it's a horrible, unregistered Ponzi scheme is what it seems to be, okay? If anyone recommends these type of programs, there was another one called LSSC Scooter Company the other day, and then there was another one called Andis, right? A whole bunch of them. I believe there's a whole bunch of these like scooter bike companies, and people claiming they're making big money and they keep exit scamming. Ask them for proof, and don't get in even if it's a big motivator for some people. I mean, that's how humans think. They get motivated, fear of missing out. They hear like even people are buying Bitcoin when the price is, spiking because everyone else is buying it. They're like, oh, we don't want to miss out. And then you got to buy it when it's low, not when it's high. So you can't do what the masses are doing. And right now, the masses are investing heavily into Ponzi schemes. How much are they giving away into these things? Because, hey, we just create an account and sit back and get rich. But what happens is people keep getting schemed. Okay, but people like them because, hey, we don't got to do anything. But at the end of the day, you do end up doing something because you got to pay back that money out of your credit card that you converted into crypto, right? Or go bankrupt or screw your credit. Or if you some people remortgage their houses. There's no future in Ponzi schemes. Even trying to get in early, and some of you guys might not believe me. And for those of you who are watching this video and don't believe, here's the website, HamitageMining.com. I don't recommend it. I don't endorse it. Looks like an outright scam, but some of you guys might not believe, and you might have to experience this. And the best experience is by your own experience. You can just go there, create an account, and see what happens. Now, they might show you they might give you some kind of app you can, download to your phone or log into the back office and see big numbers on a screen. Lately, a lot of these Ponzi's, they show people big numbers on a screen, or they pay you small returns on the small packages, right? Like, let's go back here. Look at the small package, your $100 minimum to get in, and then 1% daily, right? The average person is going to say with their best thinking, come here, put $100 in and see what happens. If these guys are smart, they'll give it back to you to get you to drop down 5,000 or 30,000 or 70,000. and this is what usually happens. And then they'll show you an app or back office screen balance of big money on a screen up here. You are a baller, you are a winner, you're making big money. But then they ask you for some kind of, crazy fee to withdraw the big money on a screen. Some people give it to them, give them more money, and then when you finally figure out that you can't get the big money out of the screen, they block you or close your account or ban you, right? And then they're off to the next victim. But these guys don't even seem to be doing that well because they don't have much traffic going into that website. So hopefully you enjoyed this review. Looks like another Ponzi. If you're still looking for a way to create either active or passive income online, you could check out my #1 recommendation underneath this video below. First link if you need traffic. Second link if you do decide to check out my #1 recommendation to help you make income online. It's not an investment opportunity. A lot of people think it is. I don't promote them. The great, beautiful stuff that seems to be offering big money to the public in the form of investing and even crypto and forex and all that stuff are usually schemes. I don't promote those. I promote legitimate affiliate marketing systems where you funnel traffic into the systems and you can create an income. I came from, driving a truck, shifting gears over here in Canada and even long haul into the US. Didn't know much about computers and plugged into some training and a step-by-step system that I followed and started seeing some income in the beginning. A little bit of income here and there, eventually got bigger and bigger, and then I started seeing sizable income. So if you're looking for something legit, not an investment opportunity, check out my #1 recommendation underneath this video, first link below. If you need traffic, second link. And if you are still head over heels with crypto, I would say go out there, find a good course, learn how to trade. If it's forex that you like, then get a course on forex trading, forex, etc. And take your money, have a long-term plan of 1 to 5 years or even up to 10 years. Take your money and create an income-producing activity by applying the information in the course, by learning how to become a real investor or real trader on your own, and stay away from these third-party, quick, easy money investment schemes that usually turn out to be network marketing, pretending to be a legitimate investment company. Hopefully you enjoyed the review. I will see you on the next one. Take care.